अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम लोग करेंगे बोर्डमास के क्वेश्चंस। जैसे कि हमने पहले बता दिया था कि हम लोग जो हैं वो बोर्डमास को कैसे करते हैं, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो अब यहाँ पे जाता हूँ मैं इसके क्वेश्चन से देखने। लेट्स सी हियर। यहाँ पे हमारे पास आ गया फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, जिसको अब कॉपी तो नहीं कर सकता मैं, दैट्स वाई अब मैं करता हूँ इसको इस पर राइट। ये मैंने कोड बनाया था, तो अब इसमें मैं लिखता हूँ 25 माइनस 20 माइनस curly bracket. Okay, let's see here. बल्कि इसको भी ऐसे ही कर लेते हैं। 10 माइनस 7 माइनस 5 माइनस 3। अब इसको करते हैं बंद, फिर इसको करते हैं बंद, फिर इसको करते हैं बंद। Will it only number and wait a minute. Let's solve this. 5 minus 20 minus 10 माइनस, यहाँ पे लिखते हैं हम लोग 7 माइनस 5 माइनस 3। Let's see, 16 is the result. But how? Let's see. Okay. सबसे पहले इस ब्रैकेट को करेंगे, जिससे हमारे पास आ जाएगा -2। कैसे? 7 माइनस 5, 2 माइनस 3, सॉरी ये -1 आ जाएगा। सो इसे इसमें से निकालेंगे तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा 9। 9 को निकालेंगे इसमें से तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा 20। नहीं, अगर 9 को इसमें से निकाला तो आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? 11 माइनस। सो अब यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 9। अब 9 से निकालेंगे इसे तो कितना आ जाएगा? लेट्स सी। 25 माइनस क्या आया था हमारे पास? क्या आया था? 9। 16 करेक्ट आंसर। So after that इस वाले के क्वेश्चन को करते हैं 10 माइनस 3। ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ब्रैकेट्स कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं। ओके, 100 माइनस 3 यहाँ पे लिखते हैं हम लोग 20 प्लस 20 प्लस 50 minus 40. Let's see the answer. Result. Error. What error we have? Okay. Let's reuse it again. Okay. Use here multiplication sign. 10. The correct answer. So, how this is the correct answer? Let's see. So, 40 minus 50, this gives us 10. Then adding 20 gives us 30. Multiply by 3, that gives us 90. Minus 100 gives us 10. It is very simple. Okay, done. So our next question will be this. Maybe this is on its answer is 9. Let's see. 7 plus, okay, 8 minus 3 multiply by 2. 9. The correct answer. Because 3 multiplied by 2, that gives us 6, minus 8 gives us 2, plus 7 gives us 9. You can verify it by calculator too. Okay, let's do the next one. Oh, what's this? What is this? I can't understand what it mean by. Let's do this. 10 minus 6, 7. Okay, let's try this. It's 10 minus. Okay, 6. Not there. 6. No, in bracket. 6. After that, minus by 7 in bracket. 7 in bracket. After that, 6 minus 8 minus 5 minus 6 minus 8 minus, after that, minus 5. Am I correct? 1, 2, 3. 18. How? Let's see. First, that will give us 2. No, minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 5. Minus 7. 7 minus 7 minus 7. Let's see the answer. 14. Oh, so that means we are adding it by it. So, done. Minus 6. Minus 6. It gives us 8. And then, answer is 2. But how? But how? 14 minus 6. Okay. That is confusing. Okay. That gives us minus 7, 14, 8. It should be answer 2. Why? Okay, let's see by doing this. Confusing. Jeez. Trophy. See the answer. 18. Bro, how you know how to do? Okay. You know also BODMAS, correct, bro? Bro, so what is the answer? What is it? Okay. Let's see what calculator says. Okay. It is very confusing. Yeah. Here's the calculator. So so let's see. Really. 18, 12. Okay. You stop. Okay. So subtract 8 from 2 to get minus 6. Then minus 7. So minus 14. So minus 8. 18. So I understand. Okay. Also 2 and 9, 3 are both vector of it. Well, so that make my confusion. Okay. After that, this is again a question that makes me papa. Okay. Not making sense. 5x? Oh, what is 5x? Oh, is this algebra? Can't understand this too. Okay, leave it. Okay. 1, 8. Divide by 100. 10. Is it 10? Yeah. Multiply by bracket. Okay, in which we have to 12 minus 6. A new bracket. 12 minus 6. Okay, we'll add 4 minus 12 after that. First, how? Not making sense. Did I write it? Oh, okay. $3,000. Okay, let's see. By calculator, how would say a cell? Control A, control. Sorry. Control B. Okay, 3, 2, not 4. Oh, same. Okay, question step. First, 180. Why? I'm. Why don't we build a bracket first? Okay. Okay. Making mind blowing. Mind blowing. Okay, that's enough for today.